Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to upgrade your reversing visibility and safety, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best backup cameras of 2025. Whether you drive a compact car, a large SUV, or tow a trailer, we've found standout options that deliver quality, convenience, and peace of mind. We've evaluated criteria like image clarity, especially at night, wide-angle viewing, installation ease, wired versus wireless, durability, and of course, value for money. Automoblog Plus One. Later in the video, I'll also share what you should look for when choosing a backup camera. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any gear reviews here on Product Research. Let's dive into the list. Furrion Vision S Wireless RV Upgrade your RV experience with the Vision S camera system. Designed for quick and easy installation, most RVs are already prepped so you can mount it with minimal effort and no extensive drilling. This waterproof camera with night vision delivers a crisp 720 by 480 resolution, IP65 protection, and infrared night vision for clear visibility day or night. Enjoy a stable, long-range wireless signal with zero lag, tested up to 100 feet at high speeds, and an extended 492-foot range in open spaces. The anti-glare monitor supports up to 4 cameras, complete with park assist lines and customizable viewing angles using the included mount. Plus, it doubles as a security system with motion sensors, audio transmission, and automatic display wake-up, keeping you safe on the road and while parked. Perfect visibility, simple setup, and ultimate peace of mind, all in one smart RV camera kit. 4. Likulu 7-inch wireless backup camera. Upgrade your driving experience with this wireless backup camera system for trucks and RVs, designed for effortless plug-and-play setup in just 20 to 30 minutes. No complicated wiring needed. Simply connect the monitor to your vehicle's power and the camera to the reverse light. The system comes pre-paired so you're ready to go instantly. Perfect for busy drivers. Enjoy crystal clear HD 1080p visuals on a large 7-inch monitor, ensuring safe reversing, parking, and towing in any situation. With built-in night vision and IP69 waterproof protection, this camera performs reliably in rain, snow, or extreme temperatures. Switch between camera views with one click, or use split-screen mode to monitor multiple angles at once. Plus, adjustable parking lines help guide you smoothly into tight spaces. Whether it's day or night, rain or shine, this backup camera gives you the clarity, confidence, and control you need on every journey. 3. Yakri RV Backup Camera. Upgrade your driving safety in just 8 minutes. The Yakri wired backup camera system makes installation quick and effortless. Simply connect the monitor to your vehicle's power source, and you're ready to go. Unlike unstable wireless systems, this wired reversing camera guarantees crystal clear, lag-free video every time. The 7-inch IPS HD monitor delivers bright, anti-glare visuals, while the 150-degree wide-angle non-fisheye camera ensures perfect coverage day or night with true IR night vision. Say goodbye to neck strain with parking guidelines and mirror image flip, making reversing smoother than ever. Plus, it's built tough with a rugged PVC-shielded cable and supports a second camera input for added versatility. Backed by 3 years of warranty and lifetime technical support, this is your reliable partner for trucks, RVs, trailers, and SUVs. Plug, play, and drive with confidence. 2. Pemacom P15. Introducing the Pemacom Magnetic Wireless Backup Camera, the ultimate solution for safer and smarter driving. With 1-minute magnetic quick install, it snaps securely onto any metal surface using 6 ultra-strong NdFeB magnets that stay put even in extreme temperatures, from Pier 452 degrees Fahrenheit to 1166 degrees Fahrenheit. The soft rubber base protects your paint, while the 1080p HD night vision camera delivers crystal clear images day or night. Powered by Pemacom's self-developed algorithm, you get up to 80% clearer visuals with vivid color accuracy and reduced glare. The 2.4 GHz digital signal ensures a smooth, lag-free feed up to 33 feet, perfect for trucks, RVs, trailers, and more. Enjoy 24 hours of use thanks to the massive 15,000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery, plus solar charging for extra convenience. When not in use, the auto sleep mode saves power automatically. With an IP69 waterproof rating, dual video channels, parking assist lines, and a 7-inch HD display, this camera gives you full visibility and confidence wherever you go. Upgrade your drive today with the Pemacom Magnetic Backup Camera. Simple, powerful, and built to last. 1. Zero X Club BH702. Upgrade your vehicle's safety and efficiency. This upgraded wired backup camera system is built tough for heavy-duty performance. Featuring a 7-inch HD 1080p monitor and dual-wired backup cameras, it's perfect for large vehicles like tractors, RVs, bulldozers, trucks, and heavy equipment. The 10G vibration-proof design ensures a clear and stable view even on rough terrain, while the IP69K waterproof rating protects against extreme weather. Enjoy dual split screen display, parking guidelines, and even video recording capability when you insert a micro SD card, 32 to 128 gigabytes. With a wide DC 12-volt, 24-volt compatibility and simple wiring setup, installation is quick and easy. Whether you're farming, hauling, or snow plowing, this camera system gives you the clear visibility and peace of mind you need every time you're on the move. All right, that wraps up our list of the top 5 best backup cameras of 2025. I hope this video helped you find the perfect camera to keep your ride safer and parking stress-free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on more honest product reviews and buyer's guides coming your way. All the product links mentioned in this video are down below in the description, so make sure to check them out for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching. This is Information House, and I'll see you in the next one.